Now today we'll discuss about types of pure substances. Pure substances are of two types, elements and compounds. Elements is a basic form of matter which cannot be broken down into simpler substance by chemical reaction. Elements are of three types. They are metals, non-metals and metalloids. That you have studied in the previous classes also. Let's quickly revise all the physical properties of metals, non-metals and metalloids. Properties of metals. You know that they are luster, they have luster, they are malleable and ductile, they are good conductor of heat and electricity, they are sonorous, example iron, or aluminium, zinc, mercury, etc. Okay. Properties of non-metals. They do not have luster, they are non-malleable, non-ductile, they are poor conductor of heat and electricity, they are non-sonorous, example hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. All these are the examples that you have done in your previous classes, in your junior classes also. So we are just quickly revising all these. Now properties of metalloid. Metalloids are the elements which show the property of both metals as well as non-metals. Okay. Now the examples are boron, silicon, germanium, etc. So this one you have already done, so quickly we have revised all. Okay. Now we'll talk about compounds. A compound is a substance composed of two or more elements chemically combined together in a fixed ratio. That is like water, H2O, 2 of hydrogen, 1 of oxygen, H2O, they are compounds. Okay, copper sulfate, CuSO4, glucose, C6H12O6, all these are compound because their formula is fixed and they are combined together like carbon, carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen in a fixed ratio. So they are known as compound. Example, water, carbon dioxide, sugar, salt, iron sulfide, etc. Difference between mixture and compound, that is given in your book also. Now have a look. Mixtures, it is composed of two or more. I'm reading it because we have done experiments based on that and we had a discussion about it. So this one you noted down. It is composed of two or more elements chemically combined together. Mixtures, the composition of the component is in any ratio. Here the ratio is fixed. It shows the properties of the component, of course. It shows different properties than the different component. Now like suppose for example water. Hydrogen have different properties, oxygen have different properties, but together when they form compound. Water have totally different properties. So they are showing different other than the component mixed. The components can be separated by physical method. Now here the components cannot be separated by physical method. We require a special setup and the chemical methods are used or the electricity is used. Okay. So this is all about